y'all, it's your girl kalienasofar, and I'm back and I'm black like I ain't never quit.
Hold on a second, just FYI, if y'all do not like eyeballs or body parts, click off this video because there will be a lot of eyeballs showing, period.
Thank you guys so much for coming back to my channel. If you're new here, you should subscribe. And if you're coming back, thank you so much for coming back. I'm glad to see you and share another little video with you. But I'm not gonna waste too much time because I want to get straight on into this video. I'm actually gonna be doing my individual clusters on my eyelashes myself because if you are like me, one, we love to save coin. And two, I don't have the patience to lay on my back for 6 hours and let her pluck individual lashes in. Trust me, I've tried. And I also just realized how laying on my back for 6 hours, we're gonna skip past that like I didn't say that. Anyways, without further ado, let's just get right on into this video and see how this turns out. So I was doing some research on Amazon and I actually found this lash bond and seal. Clearly I thought it was gonna be a brand on here, but it ain't. I'm gonna put what I got on the screen right here, and I'm gonna put a link down below so you guys can get it if you like this lash bond and seal, and you can just, you know, use it as well. So on the box it says that it's waterproof, a strong hold, and it's long lasting. And honestly, it just says that you just apply a thin layer of bond under your lash, and then don't put it on like mascara is what it says. You just put a little thin layer. So basically don't like keep brushing it on, and then put the cluster lashes underneath your natural lashes, pinch the lashes together with an applicator, and then brush a thin layer of seal for reinforcement. So basically it's supposed to be like a 5-minute install. It's not supposed to take you that long. So I'm gonna just try this and, you know, just see how it works. So I'm actually gonna be going in, I opened it already but I didn't use it. I'm gonna be going in with the Kiss Lash Mapping Kit for the 3D DIY faux lash extensions. It looks like this. It comes in the pack. I actually put it back in, so I think it's upside down. It comes with some mapping stickers so you can pick which look you want, and I actually think I'm gonna go for the cat eye look. If it don't come out like that, mind your business, okay? So this actually comes with a little tweezer thing, a brush, a little applicator brush. I think that little brush thing right here in the middle is just when you want to remove the lashes because you just like and then it has some pockets for the glue, and then obviously the lashes. I'm not going to use the glue pockets or the glue that comes inside. This black thing is the glue and the white is the remover. I'm gonna keep it, but I'm not going to use it. So I'm going to use the cat wing mapping thing. And I already opened it because I was going to do this video, then I was like, I was going to put them on, then I was like, let me do a video first. So I'm just going to lay these on my eye because you go according to the number so you can get the same look. So I'm going to put this on underneath of my eye, just like this, and it just sticks on. So this is what the bond and seal looks like. A little bit of the bond. Okay, it's black. So it's up and it's stuck. Do not get any glue or bond on this because it will stick to the eyelash and make it hard to detach.
A few moments later.
Okay, so this is how the right eye looks. I feel like, one, I would like it to be a little more curled, but that has nothing to do with the bond. That just has to do with the style of the eyelashes. And two, I feel like I might have messed up the placement of a few, but just for it to be like a everyday thing where I don't have to spend $300 to go get my lashes done, and this would last, I think it's supposed to last at least a week, so up to about 5 to 6 days. We're gonna see what happens. So now I did the bond, and to be quite honest, that literally took me like 6 minutes. 6-7 minutes, only because I was struggling just a little bit because it's my first time, but this is super quick. So I'm gonna go in with a thin coat of the seal like it said, I assume that I'm supposed to put that on the lashes because I don't know how it gets to it. Okay, so it's clear. Oh wow, look at that. Okay, so let me just put. Oh, I like that. And that's supposed to be it. I don't like how the inside is, but I think that's my fault. My eyes are shaped kind of weird anyways, but hey, I'm gonna put on strips. I think there needs to be a little more here, but I don't like it in my eye because it irritates me. So, I mean, hey, it looked like it's floating, but it's not that bad, to be quite honest with you. I feel like I have like brat shaped eyes, like almonds, so it's kind of hard for me to get my lashes all the way inside. Even when I'm wearing strips, it's difficult for me to actually get them in the right placement of my eyes. So I think this looks decent. Let me do the other eye off camera and I'm gonna be right back and show y'all what the end result is. Period. I don't like how long they are, I'm not gonna lie. It looked like that. I gotta stay committed. I gotta see it through, my boy. All right, purse. So I'm done. I'm done. That's the end of that. I turned the light on. I showed y'all like what it looks like. To be quite honest, I'm very impressed with the bond. Now, obviously, it hasn't been days. I'm gonna follow up with the update, like I said, on my Instagram to show y'all how long these lashes last. But to be honest, the application literally was so fast. I will be doing this again. I don't feel the lashes. Do I love the style that I picked? No, I feel like the 16 was a little too long. I probably should have done like the spiky or the natural with just the 14 and the 12, but that's my fault. I was really focused on the bond and seeing if it worked or if it was a flop. I will say, yeah, go ahead and get that. It's beginner friendly. It was only what, like $10 on Amazon, and the fact that you only need a thin layer of it, I feel like it will last a very long time. It's not sticky. I don't feel anything for real. I feel like I do need to let it dry just a little bit, but I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I can feel like the sides. Honestly, I think I put a little bit too much of the bond, like they said don't do it, but that's user error. And it's like a little bit catching on to my bottom lashes, but it's cool. I would definitely recommend. I would probably give it about a 7.5 out of 10. I definitely think you guys should go pick it up and try for yourself. It definitely will save money. You just gotta make sure you get the right clusters that you would like, the style. But other than that, as far as the bond goes, I definitely would recommend. Like, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I will see you guys in my next video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Make sure you guys leave a like and comment what you guys would like to see next. And also subscribe and turn my post notifications on so you can be notified when I post. And yeah, I will see you guys next time. Thank you so much for coming back. I love you. I will see you later. I am out.